President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has been seen speaking at a climate change forum in Scotland. It is very ironic that the president is in such a program speaking about climate change and environmental protection when there are allegations against the president and the environment minister in charge for environment for committing ecocide in Sri Lanka. As you are aware, as I have raised in the past also, there is a massive deforestation that's happening in this country. Sand mining, the sand miners are running havoc in this country, destroying the ecosystem. Our wells are drying up because of the excessive mining of sand. Whilst doing all this within the country, the president has gone to Scotland and is boasting about how Sri Lanka could be the first country that will be 100% organic. Sri Lankans are today facing the threat of facing a massive food crisis in the next few years. Whilst President Rajapaksa is speaking about how proud he is about Sri Lanka going to become an 100% organic country. So a man who is within Sri Lanka is alleged to be committing ecocide by not taking appropriate action, by not stopping the deforestation, by not taking action against illegal sand mining, is seen to be preaching about climate change. So this is the state of this country today, and it's important that we all realize the grave consequences that we will have to face in the future thanks to an incapable, incompetent president. And also it was the 5th anniversary of the Sri Lanka Polajana Peramuna yesterday, and Finance Minister Basil Rajapaksa very proudly mentioned that Sri Lanka Polajana Peramuna is the only political party to have elected a president, an executive president from their party, and was able to have a government with 2/3 majority, and also to have 14,000 members out of nearly 7,000 members out of the local councils within 5 years. But I'd like to point out to the Honorable Finance Minister that Sri Lanka Polajana Peramuna is the only party that has become so unpopular in the history within 5 years that they could never even win a local council election in the future. Thank you.